Hey, today we're gonna be making sambusas. Enjoy! The ingredients that you'll be needing is cilantro, white onions, a lot of them, and parsley. The powders that you need are salt, onion powdered, ginger, dill, allspice ground, cayenne pepper, turmeric, and turnip pickles. Now place 4 ground beef onto a stove and then set the stove to high and then start mixing it around for about 15 minutes or whenever you see them all brown. Whenever the ground beef turns all brown, just wait and leave it on the stove on high all the way until you see all the water or the juice from the ground beef disappear or really little. Now, whenever there isn't a lot of juices from the ground beef, this is when you start to add the onions. After you add the onions, you're gonna have to start adding the spices and then start mixing them around. After you mixed around all the spices with the onions, then you start to add the cilantro, the parsley, and the rest of the white onions, and mix them up as well. This is the pastry we'll be using. You can find it in any stores near you or in Walmart. Now we're gonna be cutting the pastry in thirds. Now you're gonna have to heat up the pastry just a bit, just enough for you to be able to hold it and tear about 2 thin slices of the pastry to form the sambusa. After you follow the steps of folding the pastry into the perfect shape, you're gonna add the mixture into the pastry, and you're gonna continue folding until it has that perfect triangular look. This is how the sambusas should look like after you're done. After you heated up the olive oil on high, then you start adding the sambusas. Then you wait until you get that perfect golden brown look and then remove it from the oil. And that's it. That's how you make the sambusa. Really easy steps, and it's delicious. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy!